Today we're going to learn how to string different cells in Excel together. Excel calls this concatenate, and that's the combining or linking different things together in a series. So the function we'll be using, I've listed it right here. And we'll go ahead and get started on this first one. So you might be given a list and it has a first name, a last name, and a middle initial, or something along the line of this. And what we need to do is take all that information and combine it into one cell. And so that's where concatenate comes into play. And so what we'll do with this function, go ahead and start it off with the equals like you do every other function. Do concat with the parentheses, and it's going to tell you to select your text now. And so the example we're given is first name, middle initial, last name. And so we'll go ahead and set our function up like that as well. So for our first man, we have Larry, do a comma. Our next will be the middle initial, comma, and the last name. Enter. Boom. So you have it all together, but you're like, oh no, there's no spaces in between. And so there is a way to fix that. So we don't want it to look like this. This is sloppy. So we come back over here. We'll go ahead and restart our function. So we'll start with Larry. And now we need to input a space. And to do that, you do quotations and put a space in between. So now the function knows to do this cell and then this space that you inserted right there. And then we'll continue like normal. We'll do the middle initial, comma, put your space in there, and then do the last name. And there you have it. And another option, instead of having to do the quotations with your space, if you come down here and signify which one, and I'll go ahead and make this a little bit more noticeable right here. And so we can actually just insert a space directly into this box. And so now we know there is a space in this cell. And so we'll come back over here and we'll do our function. We'll do first name, comma, and instead of having to do the quotations, we can actually just click on this cell right here since we know there's a space. And this does quicken things up a bit, and there you go. And then you have it. And rather than having to type it out all over again, we'll just pop those down. Oh. So the issue we ran into here is that I didn't use the absolute value for these. So we'll go ahead and fix that. So we come through here. All right, we'll give that another go. There we go. And that is how you use the function concatenate on Excel. Hope this helps.